Do personal credit issues really impact your ability to get business financing? Well, that kind of depends on you. Here's what I mean by that. Look, there's a lot of different kind of business financing that's out there. And if you have consumer credit issues, well, then you want to stay away from everything that really aggressively looks at consumer credit as a qualifying factor. So financing like credit card stacking, where it's strictly based on personal credit, or SBA loans or term loans where they require good credit for approval, or anything to do with bank financing where you walk into your bank, all stuff you want to avoid if you have credit issues. Instead, you want to focus on stuff that looks at things other than personal credit, like your revenue lending, merchant cash advance. You can get approved without credit checks in some cases, and a lot of lenders don't even care about personal credit for this kind of financing just because it's looking at the consistency of your revenue. Business credit, you can get millions of dollars in business credit without personal credit checks and without personal guarantees. And just by building a business credit profile and score, you make yourself more lendable as well. And asset-based lending, any kind of lending that looks like some kind of asset you have and serves it up as collateral, that doesn't even look at personal credit in almost all factors. Stocks, bonds, 401ks, IRAs, commercial real estate or residential real estate, vehicles, even cryptocurrency can work. So if you have credit issues, you have to stay away from the financing you can't get and focus on the financing you can get. And the financing you can get is usually looking at another strength, like your business credit quality or your collateral or your cash flow for approval. So focus on those things to make sure you're applying for the kind of financing you can get, even if you have credit issues, and your credit problems really won't even be much of a factor at all when it comes to that kind of business financing.